Hi guys, Matt here. In this video here, going to show you the reason why your webhooks may not be receiving data. So possibly you're in complete frustration thinking, oh my goodness, Integra and Matt webhooks aren't working. So this is where you need to check to make sure everything is functioning as planned, because it may be queued up or blocked up. So no one likes to be blocked up. What we'll go here is need to go over here, webhooks. So click on webhooks on the left hand side, and we're looking at the queues. So in this little truck here, it's processing. It shows you how many is left in the queue. So if something is blocked up, clogged up in the queue, not being processed, just click on here and just delete it. So just delete all. If you really don't need that information, it's already been processed, or you've done another way, just delete it like that. You'll need to do a refresh of your browser to make sure that goes back to 0. I'll do that at the very end. We're going to look at another one. Here's another one, hasn't processed this, but it may be 100 of 100. So this one here would not be working because there's no more room for it to take any more information. We don't want to click on this one here. I believe that's going to delete the whole webhook. So, we don't want that at all. We click on the trucks, we go delete all. Yep, done. So anything we don't need, I'll do this. So again, we click on here. Another good thing to know is, actually let's go, that's what I've done. It shows you which scenario is actually using this webhook. This is a little thing you can just double check if you need to. Go into that scenario itself and find it, but I'm happy with that. I'm just going to delete all of them. So I'll refresh the screen. I'll show you the ones we have deleted should be back to 0. I believe I would have missed 1 or 2. So I've refreshed it. So there was a couple that I left there deliberately, but you'll notice the ones that had heaps, so 100 of 100, they're now gone because I simply just refreshed my browser. So there's 2 still here because I just want to actually double check it. 9 of 100, that's not getting close anywhere near 100, that's fine. I just want to actually dive into that one and this one. Anyway, hopefully that helps, guys. So before you get too frustrated thinking my webhooks are not working, Integra Matt has failed me, woe is me, I'm doing everything manual again. We don't want that. There's a simpler solution. So just make sure you go to left hand side, click on webhooks and check the queue. It may be fully blocked up, backed up, with no more room for it to add to the end of the queue. So that's what you need to do. Hopefully that helps, guys. Matt K, Build with K, cheers.